Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to make an aeroplane. This will be made by a square sheet, but do not worry, it will still fly. So first, you have to fold it like this, diagonally. Now, open it. Fold this tip to the middle. And then, one more time. And then one last time. And then start folding it like this. At the end, it will be like this. Now, keep it like this and give a slight turn like this. We'll have to glue this together later, but first, let's do this. Now, it's like this. Let's glue these two together and then we'll make an amazing aeroplane. Okay, now let me show you how to throw this. So, do this, and give it a slight push.